Kids, I hope you all are doing great. But I think you must be getting bored sitting at home and be missing school and your friends indeed. But not anymore. Today I am here to make you learn how to read and write numbers using the number system. But before starting the concept, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever wondered why do we need numbers? Where do these numbers come from? As we all know, numbers have been a part of life since early age. Early man used to count number of items using their body parts or tally marks. Later on, these numbers were represented using different symbols. As we all know that in this era, we can form a number using the combination of digits. The digits as in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But have you ever thought how would it be to remember such large numbers? For this, we have two number systems. First, Indian number system. Second, international number system. Starting with Indian number system, let us suppose an example of a 9-digit number. You can form any number. Let us suppose now, first step that we should remember is that whenever we are writing the number name, we always start grouping the numbers into the periods from the rightmost side. So for this we have first period, that is the ones period. Then we have the thousands period. Then we have the lakhs period. And then we have the crores period. Starting from the rightmost digit, the ones period has the places of ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands have the places thousands and 10,000s. As you can see, thousands can be represented with the capital T and the small h. The lakhs have the places L and 10 lakhs. Then it has crore and it has 10 crores. Now let us start putting these numbers into this table. So 5 gets the place ones, 9 gets the tens place, 8 gets the hundreds place. And since this period is over, we put a comma from the right. Now 7 gets the thousands place, 3 gets the 10,000s place. Then this 1 gets the lakhs place. This 2 gets 10 lakhs place. This 5 gets crores place. And this 6 gets 10 crores place. Now this way we can write the number in the form of figures. Now let us write the number name of the given number. So as we can see, it will be 65 crores, 21 lakhs, 37,895. Now I want everybody to repeat with me. 65 crores, 21 lakh, 37,895. Now in this way, you can write a number name of the given number in Indian number system, and in this way you can write the number in figures using Indian number system. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you. Hello kids, in the previous session we have learnt about how to read and write a number using Indian number system. In that we noticed that only ones period has 3 digits, rest all the periods have 2 digits. Now today, let us start with international number system. International number system, let us suppose any example of a 9-digit number. Now, as we all know that we always start grouping the number as per the right hand side according to the period. Now, in international number system, we have ones period, thousands period and millions period. In ones period, we have the places as ones, tens, hundreds, while in thousands period, we have the places as thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. In millions period, we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now, if you notice that here in international system, millions period is replaced by the lakhs period. Now, let us start putting these digits into the periods according to their groups. So, 0 gets the ones place, 9 gets the tens place, 1 gets the hundreds place. Similarly, we can place 2 here, 0 here, 3 here and start putting the commas because we are separating the digit according to the periods. Then 5 will come here, then 7 will get 10 millions place and 6 will get 100 millions place. Now it becomes easy to write the number name of the given number. It would be 675 millions 302. How do we read it? 302,190. So let us repeat. We have written the number name here, that is 675,302,190. I hope this topic is clear to everybody. Hello kids. Today we are going to learn about how to find out the place value and face value of a given digit in the given number. Now for this I have taken this as example. Now as you can see from the commas we can identify that whether the number is an Indian number system or it is an international number system. Since we can notice here that only one period has 3 digits, rest all the periods have 2 digits. So this is an Indian number system. So always we have to start from the rightmost side. So for our ease, what we can do, we can write the places of the given digit on the top of the digit. Since 6 has ones place, 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place, and so on, we can fill it for all the digits. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Always keep in mind that while writing the place value, we have to see that what digit it is and at which place that digit is on. So the place value of the number of this digit will be 6, that is its the digit's value and its place. It is at ones place, so multiply by 1. So the place value of 6 becomes 6, or we can write it as 6 ones. Similarly, the place value of 4 will be 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40, or we can write it as 4 tens. Place value of 3 will be 300. Place value of this 2 will be 2000, or we can say 2000s. Then this place value of 0 would be 0. Always remember that place value of 0 is 0. Then place value of this 5 would be 5 lakhs. If you get confused that how many zeros this lakhs or 5 would have, always hide the number and see that after 5 how many digits are there. The number of digits you can replace with the number of zeros. Like here this 02, I have made it 00. 3, 4, 6 is also converted into zeros. So this is the trick which you can learn to remember the place value. Then for this we have 7, 10 lakhs. 70 lakhs, or we can say 7, 10 lakhs. For this 9, the place value would be 9 crores. For 6, it would be 60 crores, or we can also write it as 610 crores. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now let us see how to find the face value of a given number. It's very simple. Face value of any number is the number itself. So if I ask that the face value of 2 is 2. Face value of this 9 is 9. Face value of 6 in this number is 6. So the face value of any number is the number itself. Always remember kids, 0 is the only number or digit which has the place value and face value as 0. That is, 0 has the same face value and the place value, that is 0. Today we are going to learn about expanded form and short form or the standard form. For this, I have taken an example like 8 crore 95 lakh 2346. Now how to write this number in the expanded form? So for our ease, I can write the same thing on the top, that 6 has ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Now there are two ways of writing the expanded form. Let us see the first way. Now this 8 is on which position? Crores. So we will write 8 crores plus 9, 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 0, 10,000. Since this digit is 0, so we will not write S after 1000. Plus 2000s plus 300s plus 4 tens plus 6 ones. Now let us see the second way of writing the expanded form. That is putting the commas and the zeros. 8 crores plus 9 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 0 10,000s. If you want, you can write a 0 or you can skip this 0. Then it is 2000s plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. So in this way, we can write a number in the expanded form. Now, let us move to the next topic, that is writing the standard form or the short form. That is the opposite of the expanded form. Here I have taken this example. For writing it in the short form, first count that this number is on which place. Let us count from here. Ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000s, then 100, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores and 10 crores. So the 9 is on which position? 10 crores. So for ease, we can write it here in the same way. So 9 will come below 10 crores. Then we have 50,000, that is 5 10,000. So this 5 will come under 10,000's position, and this is 3 tens. So this will come under tens position, and this 2 will come below ones. Now since all these places are left empty, so here what we will add, we will write 0. So this hundreds place would be 0, thousands would be 0, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores would be 0. Now as per your Indian number system, you can put the commas from the right side. So as you all can see, it becomes 90 crore 50,032, and you can relate it with this question. So now I think you know how to write the number name as well. 90 crore 50,032.